Utilizing advanced visualization techniques, we transform the schematic into a fully realized 3D component.
The cover features prominent 3D embossed lettering. The low-angle light highlights the distinct height and definition of the logo. Notice how the warm sunlight casts deep shadows, accentuating the rugged, three-dimensional embossing of the lettering on the D. Here we demonstrate the transition from flat schematics to full 3D metallic embossing.
Take a look at this distinctive 3D embossed appearance. It's a rugged, granular finish, giving the silver metal a hammered look. These silver components feature a distinct 3D embossed appearance. You can see how the hard sunlight catches the rough site.
The grille proudly features the iconic embossed 3D Mercedes emblem. The polished chrome and raised contours create. Take a look at the exquisite embossed 3D surfacing on this emblem. The high polished chrome really highlights these sharp ridges. The centerpiece boasts a distinct 3D embossed effect. The superior surfacing of the chrome highlights.
Notice how the rain highlights the intricate depth of the bronze-toned embossing. Each curve is meticulously sculpted, a testament to its vintage luxury.
The three-dimensional embossing is highlighted by the light catching these intricate Baroque scrolls, emphasizing the detailements. The beauty of this expensive car lies in the masterful 3D embossing. The interplay of warm light and deep.
As you can see on the schematic, the engine assembly utilizes brass components and interlocking gears, forming the basis of the 3D embossed kinetic plating.
The 3D embossed kinetic plating utilizes a system of interlocking brass gears and hydraulic pistons to generate auxiliary. The embossed patterns you see here are functional kinetic plating. As the gears rotate and the piston.
This is the original air cleaner, and look at this embossed detail. The script lettering is pristine.
Defining feature is this beautifully executed 3D embossed Chevrolet script on the valve cover, polished to a mirror finish. This specific component is the chrome valve cover, featuring the factory original three-dimensional Chevrolet script embossed.
Focusing on the engine's most expensive components, these chrome valve covers feature stunning 3D relief engravings. This hand-engraved chrome valve cover features intricate 3D filigree and scroll work surrounding a stylized V.
A rare masterpiece of auto artistry. The exquisite 3D embossed pattern on this chrome engine part represents.
This visualization highlights the intricate 3D embossed lattice structure, engineered to optimize airflow and reduce thermal stress on the engine block. The embossed geometric pattern, featuring these interlocking rectangles and squares, is integral to the structural rigidity of it. As you can see highlighted here, the embossed webbing provides superior structural support and thermal resistance.
This visualization explains the 3D embossed pattern on the engine cover, detailing how the sculpted vent.
The key innovation here is the 3D embossed pattern. This optimized airflow geometry drastic sessions. This 3D embossed pattern features optimized airflow geometry. Computational analysis confirms its
endurance. As the blueprint extrudes, the engine is rendered in a highly detailed 3D embossed chrome relief. Shows it.
This engine exemplifies exquisite automotive artistry, featuring highly detailed 3D embossed components from each components. Notice the exquisite craftsmanship of the three-dimensional engineered patterns.
This 3D embossed visualization highlights the intricate connection between the carburetor and the piston assembly. Examining the 3D embossing pattern on the engine casting, highlighting the intricate horsing rib details.
These 3D embossed structures are designed for optimal fluid dynamics and structural rigidity within the engine block.
This visualization highlights the core part of the engine. Notice the complex 3D embossed texture. The core engine component features a unique 3D embossing. This forged alloy construction utilizes integrated cooling pads. This specialized 3D embossed texture on the forged alloy construction is integral to the integrated cooling management system.
Here we utilize 3D embossing to visualize the complex aerodynamic styling of the vehicle's bodywork.
We utilized a specialized etching process to create this unique three-dimensional texture on the valve cover, as you can see here.
What makes this valve cover truly special is the deep 3D embossing of the 340Z logo. It's cast directly.
As we zoom in, the 3D embossed texture on the intake manifold becomes clear. The Aston Martin lettering is cast directly.
The core engine cover features intricate 3D embossing, highlighted here by our diagnostic overlays. The core element we're highlighting is the precision 3D embossing on the engine cover, a signature design element of this model.
These distinctive 3D embossed manifolds aren't just for show. They are precision-engineered airflow guides, crafted from polished parts. What truly sets this engine apart is the detailed 3D embossing on the intake manifold. This closely here at the three-dimensional embossing on this supercharger. The detail work really sets this build apart from the competition. The centerpiece is this custom chrome air cleaner. Its 3D embossed geometric pattern features sharp edges and deep relief.
This engine features a custom 3D embossed tribal pattern on the air filter cover, complemented by intricate style.
This specific 3D embossed stamp you see on the air filter cover signifies the engine's heritage, featuring the icon.
This 3D embossed pattern is achieved through a specialized CNC milling process, giving the chrome a tactile, sculpted technical. As the light shifts across the engine cover and intake pipes, you can truly appreciate the depth of the 3D embossments. What makes this engine cover unique is the deep 3D embossing. These Baroque floral patterns are
Engine bay, where the valve covers showcase stunning three-dimensional embossed designs, meticulously important feature.
The raised phoenix emblem on the engine cover is meticulously sculpted, highlighting the bespoke nature.
This large chrome component is a Roots-type supercharger. It mechanically compresses air, forcing the engine to produce much more power than it would naturally. The defining feature of this build is the massive 3D embossed supercharger protruding from the hood, compressing the air intakes. The embossed pattern you see here is a specialized chromoly steel alloy designed for enhanced cooling and aerodynamics. The key innovation is the 3D embossed lattice structure. This AI-optimized geometry allows for enhanced heat dissipation. This engine features an advanced 3D embossed lattice geometry, optimizing airflow for peak performance. Focusing on the 3D embossed lattice structure, this intricate geometric design enhances both the strength and the aesthetic.
This is the intake manifold. The three-dimensional embossing you see here was custom designed and then CNC machined directly into the. And this right here is the highlight. This is a custom 3D embossed flame pattern directly on the chrome valve cover.
This specific 3D embossing isn't just aesthetic, it actually increases the surface area for improved heat dissipation from the manifold. As you can see, the 3D embossing on this manifold highlights the precision engineering. It's a design feature we've integrated across the. If you look closely at the intake manifold here, you can see the detailed three-dimensional embossing. Here we highlight the three-dimensional embossed relief on the silver intake manifold. The stylized geometric text features a grip. This 3D aluminum casting features intricate embossing. Note the raised lettering and the cross-hatched.
We begin by examining the intake manifold, which distributes air to the cylinders. Next, the pistons convert combustion into mechanical energy, rotating the crankshaft. Welcome. Today we're exploring the mechanics of this high-performance engine. Here, we see the air intake system, the critical cylinder head, and the spark plug. This 3D embossed stamp signifies the engine's certification. It confirms the use of authentic, high-performance racing components. This 3D embossed stamp signifies our commitment to high-performance computing power in engine design. This 3D embossed relief showcases exceptional craftsmanship. The polished chrome finish catches the light, emphasizing the intricacies. Note the high-quality 3D embossed texture on the metallic silver cover, complemented by the detailed carbon fiber weave on the gesture. The visual depth comes from the layered carbon weave under the gloss coat, and this raised lettering here is precisely machined.